Hello, this is Elaine Shauger. This is a tournament for deaf people only. That's where our dance student went to. He won, so he can play in this tournament. You too can play. Learn to swing. Come to sga.gov. Dan has over Academy School over 300 online course. That means when you purchase something, you can watch it on your phone at the driving range. We had the PGA Pros. Order our booth. There's my student right here. Dance student. There he is. He came out in 2012. The PGA order our books and DVDs. They do not know what down under nap is. Let's tell the world what it is. We do not do the roller with arms and hands. We hit the golf off the right side to hip with left knee bent, right leg straight, back and forth, heels up and down. We don't keep our feet flat on the ground. Read my testimonials from my seniors, up and down with the heels, no pain.